Howdy. Oh, I hate the sound that this stool makes on the wooden floor. Yeah. I'm used to having a plastic mat or under me, and not used to a wooden floor. Okay, I want my snack. I just got some mail. I just got my mail from the mailbox. It was a lot of junk mail, that's fine. And there were two addressed mail later. Don't talk much. There were two addressed. I love the way the cars freeze and then move on. One was addressed to me, one was addressed to my son. Yeah. People change their addresses, and I have to do that too. I should do that. Anyway. Yeah. And when the one was addressed, the one that was addressed to me was from the government, telling me that I had owed this much and owed nothing more. So from what I can see, all it said, you know, what you're supposed to pay, what you're supposed to pay was 0. There was a minus this much on it. Is that how much I paid? How about this bigger number? Why is this bigger number there? Why is there a negative? I don't understand. But it basically said, don't pay anything, don't pay anything. Okay, so why did you send me this envelope? I really don't understand. I really don't. So I finished watching my morning World Cup, 2 games. So Korea has gone through. Uruguay won, but they didn't have enough goals to go through. So that was, both were successful, both were my teams. But not both were successful to make it through to the next stage. I never eat enough lunch, so I always have a snack fairly soon after lunch, because that's better than just having more lunch. No, I just have this much bread and this much whatever, and it's then not enough. So I have a little less so that I can have a snack, right? That's the point. But having just snacks and not eating real food would be no fun either, because that would get boring after a while. I would love eating a whole lot more real food, but then it's all just, you know, too much. I'm trying to decide, has been all day, whether it should be a sunny day or just a cloudy day. Right now it's just cloudy. This morning, every now and then it tried, but it didn't succeed very well. I went for a walk this morning, yay. Chocolate and mint are such a nice combination. I'm procrastinating. This whole table is unusable because it's used. Christmas cards, Christmas card list, Christmas card envelopes finished, another list, whole table full. Once I finish making this video and having my snack, sunshine. Somewhere. I see it on, so it must be, oh yeah, it's back there. There's a ray of sun that's coming down into the carport. Oh, there it is. There's the sun. Sun is so much better than no sun. So I didn't want to make a video today on something that has been bugging me and always bugs me and will always bug me, because I'm a grammar, I like grammar. I'm a grammar. I'm fond of grammar. Good grammar. There's just grammar, the rules. Some people follow them, some people don't. I like English when the rules are followed. So there's one thing that, okay, I'm going to go through pet peeves of grammar for me. Pet peeve is the one, okay, today. Oh, sunshine. Oh, my eyes just love sunshine. I was saying, pet peeve, my pet peeve of grammar. The word unique. The word unique means one, okay? Unique, it's one. You are the one, the only one. Unique means the only one. Okay, remember that? Hold that in your mind. One. Now, can you be a little unique? Can you be very unique? Okay, remember this. No! You can't. Okay? You can't. You either are or you aren't. There's no degree of uniqueness, because there is no degree of oneness. One or nothing. Oh. So when you hear people, and you hear them say it a lot, he was a really unique guy. Or, you know, either he was or he wasn't. Is there just one of them? Well, then he was unique. But he wasn't really unique or very unique. He's just unique. Okay. Calm down. Yeah. It's just my pet peeve. The thing that bothers me the most, should I call it unique? Wow. One. Gotta be open to a drink. Okay, should I stop? I was so pleased with how much I got done yesterday, okay? So pleased with how much I got done yesterday. That doesn't make me want to keep going quickly more. Oh, all my snacks are gone. That's disappointing. So Stephanie and I are getting together next week. She almost, well, she tried to make it the 19th. I said, oh, I know that's your last day of school, but I'm gone. I'm gone as of Friday in 2 weeks. Today, in 2 weeks. Oh my goodness. So, yeah. We're gonna do it next Wednesday. So I have to go get something for her for Christmas. Now we don't usually do Christmas gift giving, but I'm going to do it this time. I'm going to get her something for her cats. She's got 2 now. They're both rescues. So I'm gonna get her something which will be for her cats. And then I'm going to, in a few minutes, about 45 minutes, I'm gonna go downstairs and watch the next soccer game. This morning, Korea went through, yay. Uruguay did not go through. They won, but they didn't go through. So far we've got, well, Portugal, definitely. And Korea. Okay, I should stop talking. And I should get writing before the game starts.